This is the TPS 250 Slim. It's stainless steel lined, stainless steel size, galvanized frame. It has a stainless steel sliding door with a lovely smooth closing mechanism. Again, pull it back, dropping down, so it's attached at all times to the box. On the front here, opening and closing door, adaptable hole here for either 2-inch or 3-inch valve, so that your liner bag inside can then dispense the product through that hole. And it's used mainly for small batch quantities in areas where there is limited production space. As you can see by the size, this will fit through a standard door. And the tare weight of this box is 112 kilos with a capacity of 250 litres. And on the inside you've got a chamfered base so that the product can flow out easily. You've got these stacking corners here, which means you can stack the boxes on top of each other, 4 high when they are full, 6 high when they're empty. And on the side you've got the locking mechanism as well, the handle that locks the lid in place on both sides, so the lid is now firmly closed.